Yo, what's up, Trade Champs? It's your boy, Parrot Mike. Y'all know what it is. Here to go over the weekly community update. So let's see what we got here. You know what? We're going to start off differently this week. See, in the community area, ALFG has some comments here in the analysis. Let's see what he's talking about. So let's look at his actual. So he says UPST, which is a stock upstart, has broken both the trend line and support at 119.42 as shown below. Say he's expecting it to retrace back now to the support and then shot up to 159. Said buy at 119 with a stop loss at 97. Price target 159. That's his opinion. He said the anticipated price action is on the 2-hour chart. So let's take a look at this chart here. So UPST. So he's saying support here is in the 90-ish area up to the 114. Then he says a broken cluster. And so he's looking for a push above to up to 119. So I'm gonna bring up that same chart because I'm gonna show you all something. So it's not to disregard what he says, but I'm just going to show you something different here. So same chart, but I'll show you some price action that happened on Friday. So if you look here, this is Friday's action. Let me go to a 15-minute chart. So Friday, February, that would have been yesterday, February 18th. So you can see UPST is started at 139. But for most of the session, it was down. So it was going down, 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 down. So you can see here right at this 1 o'clock bar, it bottomed out at 126. At this 126 area, it shot up from 126.65 all the way up to 132, right? But then you can see even within this bar, it got there. So let me go to a 5-minute. Because it shot up in this bar here, it dropped back down, but it ended up closing the same amount in this bar. So you could have got in at this. So I actually traded this at 120. My entry is 128.85. I think I got out at 131. I got back in at that 128.80. 85 trigger back in here, and I think it rolled it back up again to like 130, 131, and then I got out, and then I think I reestablished a position back over here in the 130s. And so I'm just saying that UPST actually has enough volume in it intraday for you to trade where you can make $2 or $3 off of the trade, and I actually did that on Friday. So that's just some analysis there on UPST in terms of a intraday trade. But going back to what ALFG has talked about, he's looking for this broader breakout above the 119 up to the 159. And actually, if we can get above there and get beyond that resistance and break out above there, that will be a strong move. And I agree if that's the next resistance point up to that 159-ish area. So good job on that analysis, AFLG. All right, so let's go and let's talk about what this week looked like in terms of the weekly contests. All right, so go to socialize, go to community home, go here down to total prizes for the week. So the week ended yesterday, February 18th. So Barliza won twice this week. I think she actually won. He or she won twice. Shucks. They won 5 times the prior week. Oh, no, it's for the whole month. Okay. Never mind. Let me go back. So, okay, I thought I was going to get the week before, but no, it's just this past week. So she won. He or she won. I never know if it's a man or a lady, but they won twice this week. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 members won one time a piece this week. So Barlaza has been doing pretty good. If you go back and look for the month, She's actually leading for the month with ALFG, and second with 4 wins. Myself with 3 wins. Huggy Bear with 3 wins. John Redcorn, Just a Guy, Sharon SM, and Zareth, all with 1 win apiece. So looks like it's been some. The pack is kind of broken out here between 3, 4, and 5 wins for the month so far. So good job to Berliza and ALFG for their picks so far. Let's see if we got any referrals. I talked about it in the last post about the number of refers. Let's go back here again. Let's look at the referral count if we got any total referrals. Let's see if we got any this past week. No referrals. So come on, guys. Encouraging you all to actually, let's just make a challenge. Let's see for the week ending February 25th, who will have the most referrals in this week. Let's look for that and let's see who will win. And the winner, if somebody beats me and refers for this week, I'll send you a little crypto. So let's just make a little friendly challenge here for that, for the week ending February 25th. Let's get these referrals up, guys. And again, just show you how easy it is to do. So if you go back, you say refer a friend, click that there. Then you have the tweet or the copy my referral link. You can copy the referral link here. Then you can open up your email client. You can paste that into your email client. If you already have an account on Twitter, your Twitter is linked up. You can just go through, click Twitter. It'll pre-populate a tweet for you. I'm just going to tweet this out real time. And so see if I can get some referrals based on that, right? So if I go to my profile, look at my most recent tweet here. So you can see here is the tweet that I just put up 4 seconds ago. So we encourage everybody to go ahead and actually tweet this out. Let's get some more members joining the community so they can come and socialize and play the game as well as earn. And I have a question for you all. What would you all say would be some of the features that you would like to see on a site, or tell me about some things on the site that you enjoy, to give us some feedback. So trying to encourage more community efforts within here. So let me know what your feedback is. You know what? And I'm actually going to make a post. All right. Say, tell me what are some of your favorite features, if I can spell, of TradeChamps. Not telling me to say what are, not tell me, but what are. So ALFG, Barliza, Sharon, SM. Who else do we have? Those are some names I can think of at the top of my head. All right, make this post. Okay. Also, what additional features would you like to see added to the site? Right. Cool. So I can type. So go to TradeChamps. Okay. Cool. Great. All right. So that's good there. So let's look at what the how I went through the actual rankings for the week. Covered the socialize. Spoke about the notifications from last week. So I'm gonna do that there. Let's go back to the post. Based upon ALFG. I'm going to click the wrong thing. Sorry. I meant to go down here to the post. I'm gonna like the post and thank him for sharing. Thank you for your analysis, and look for it in the weekly community update video. All right. So post that. So good. Well, guys, that concludes this week's update. Definitely appreciate the time. Shout out to ALFG for the post and community area. If there are other stocks and or crypto that you would like for us to analyze, go through, and even some of the picks that you're making, we can take a look at those and let's post here. So again, thank you for your time. Until we meet again, Trade Champs.